All right, what's going on, guys? It is August 23rd, 2021. We have our third box random division break of 2021 Elements Football. We're going to be rolling the dice for the random and pairing everyone up. We only re-roll if we get snake eyes, and if there's multiple players on a team, we'll randomize between the teams on the card. That's what I meant. 4 and 5. So we're going to randomize the list 9 times. Take you guys over here to see who is in the break. We got Tina M, Luis A, Lauren M, Sammy M, Chris G, Josh R2, and Jacob C. Tina M on top, Jacob C on bottom, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th final time. Got Chris G on top and Sammy M on bottom. And then we got the divisions here, AFC East on top, NFC West on bottom, 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. Sorted out. Chris G with the NFC West, Jacob C with the AFC East, Joshua R with the AFC South and NFC South, Lauren M with the NFC East, Louis A with the NFC North, Sammy M with the AFC North, and Tina M with the AFC West. So if you guys want to make a trade, go right ahead. Otherwise, dude, state taxes are crazy here. But Carl, I'm sure we'll be able to do it. He's looking solid, man. Him and Fields are definitely the top 2 up there. Wait, Carl, you want the NFC North? Dude, it's hard to like this to judge like who's going to be the quarterback of this draft through 1 preseason or 2 preseason weeks. It's hard. All right, if we don't get a trade, then I will Mon hasn't looked good. I haven't seen any Vikings, anything really, to be honest. All right. Well, if we're not going to get a trade, then we will get started. Good luck to everyone. Hopefully we can pull some heat. I mean, we've been having some pretty good luck with elements so far this week, or the last couple breaks. T-Law's going to be trash. All right. I'm just saying. Yeah, no problem, Mike. Get that one ripped after Chris's Elements box himself. Empty box. Swamp, I'm only saying that just because of the fact that he's overhyped. he should be dominating second and third stringers if he's going to be the starting QB. Plus, didn't they say that Gardner Minshew might be in play for starting QB this year? A couple thick ones. Swamp, that's your opinion, man. If you want to say Lance will be trash, that's, well, you're not. I don't ever know which one. Okay, this is the front. Okay. You're going to have to fight Carl on that one, though. First card. Roger Staubach. Xenon. And that is 38 of 54. First base. Oh, I gotta grab different top loaders. Okay. Carl punching the air right now? Yeah. Why don't we do the back card? Ray Lewis. Gold. Oh, but you would think that it's out of 10, but it's out of 250. He's just punching the air right now. He's like... All right, jersey. Ooh, Kyle Pitts. Kyle Pitts out of 199. Nice. Solid looking card. And guys, look, he's actually in an NFL jersey. Photoshopped, but he's in an actual NFL jersey. All right, I think I'm gonna go. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's just go back one. Ian Book. Whoa. Ian Book, rookie neon signs numbered out of 49. That's a sick looking one. Ian Book's my boy. He's got an insane auto too. See, that's PC for me, man. I mean, obviously it's not my card, but I'm saying. And the final card. Is this going to be side? I think it's sideways. Ugh. Chris Long out of 50. I mean, that's not bad if you're an NFC Eagles fan. Yeah. Ian Book, though, sells well. I thought it was Lance, too. All right, and that's going to do it for the break. Appreciate you guys, or everyone who joined. Hopefully you guys hit, and if you didn't, I'm sorry. But appreciate everyone who did join. Congrats to everyone who did hit. Hopefully you guys can want to join our other breaks. Still got Immaculate Baseball, Topps Chrome Baseball, Elements Football. Got a bunch of different ones. So appreciate you guys joining once again. Hopefully we'll see you in another break.